and today's topic is jewelry layering. So I know many of you have seen all the great jewelry that's out there from different brands and how they're layering a lot of pieces, and it looks amazing on. They have stylists that work for them that can show them how to do it in amazing ways. I'm here today to show you how you can do it at home with the things you already have, or if you bought some of these amazing pieces, how to do it in a way that works for you. So, 3 tips. Number 1, keep your clothing simple. If you keep your clothing simple, clean lines, really simple colors, black, a white tank, a white tee, or a simple blouse, everything will pop when you put it against the fabrics. Second, make sure you mix the big pieces with the delicate light pieces. Try some different things and see what works for you. And third, have fun. Try it all out, see how it works, and then you'll see what works. So I'm going to get started. I'll show you some of the pieces that I have that are laid out, and I'll show you what I did with these pieces that I have on right now. I also have this dress form with me, so I can layer a couple of pieces for you with some of the techniques that I just talked about. So let's get started. With the pieces that I have on today, you can see I mixed a couple of different things. So I have pearls. I took light pearls and I took the darker black pearls, and I mixed it with a nice choker. I have actually two chokers. One is a diamond choker, or you can use rhinestones, and the other one is just a silver metal necklace. And they're a little bit thicker, but they're still on the smaller side when you look at diameter, and they line the neck really easily. And then I have my longer Chanel piece. Everything accentuates the face and brings your attention to the neckline as well as everything else going on. It just brings the eye up. So some of the pieces that I have here, I can show you how to mix and match a couple of different pieces. So first, going with some of the more delicate pieces, you can take, some of those old necklaces that are really small, and you can put maybe some really cute little charms on there, and you can layer them, especially the ones that come close to the neck. It could give a really nice look, and it frames the neck, so everything else will layer really beautifully. Then you can take other pieces that mix and match really well. This is gold, and also think about your color scheme for your metals. If you want silver, you can go with silver like I did today. You can just go with gold, or you can get pieces that have gold and silver put together. So I like the delicate pieces to stay lining the neck a little bit closer, and then you have maybe a little bit larger piece that comes just below it and gives a nice accentuation to whatever you're wearing, as well as the neckline. And if you want to bring the eye up, to look at the earrings, to look at your makeup, maybe you have something a little bit more dramatic going on with the eyes, what have you, you can do something like this. And this is very simple. Anyone can do this look, and it's not too over the top. You can also take this delicate piece off, and you can add another piece of jewelry. Yes, the herringbones are back. Some of you have old herringbone necklaces from back in the day. Pull those out and use them, whether it's in silver or gold, and you can do that too and have a very beautiful, dramatic look. So you can look at that together right there. That's pretty neat. And that's how to do it with just 2 pieces. You don't have to have 5 or 6 different pieces to have a really nice look. You can just do it with 2. Another good tip is you can keep the other accessories simple. So you can go with a very simple earring like these hoops. You could use diamond studs or cute little studs in different colors that match with what you're doing. You could even use a gold stud or silver stud that works. You can even go with a very bold earring depending on the look that you're going for. So keep that in mind. One of my other favorite looks, I'll show you this one with using larger charms like this one, and you can bring this down and you can do it like that. Really nice, really simple, and it's still elegant, and you can dress it up or down, and you can keep it really simple with a tank top for summer or a simple blouse. And it doesn't have to be just black or white. It could be different colors and different things that you can try. And these earrings, I like chain metal or chain mail earrings and different accessories. These work very nicely with layered pieces. And you can even find necklaces and charms and different things like this. You could even take these and turn them into a charm to really take this look to another level. So you see how that can look added to any of your other pieces. And it can just, I'll give you an example. Now, you might have to do a little bit of work being creative to make this look come alive, but see how you could do something like that and now you have a very dramatic piece, and you can take other pieces and layer it with this as well. You could take something that's a little bit longer. You could take a couple of pieces that are shorter. You could even try out pearls and bring this down a little bit. So the pearls are more like a choker, and you can still have that look depending on what you're going for. Now, another piece that I like is taking very bold pieces and trying different things with them. So here is one of my favorites, and you can make it shorter or you can make it longer, which I love. And statement pieces like this work very well with clean lines and simple blouses that accentuate. Bring down the neckline by opening a couple of buttons so you can show the décolletage a little bit better. And then you can add, because it has gold and it has pearls and the different stones in here, you can pull in these colors with other jewelry pieces. You can even add more charms. You would probably want to keep those more delicate. You could even go here. Yes, you can definitely do that. It's just a matter of being creative and finding ways to make it work for you. You can take the pearls like I showed you earlier. And I like to take string pearls in like a huge strand like this and switch it up in different ways. And you can make several different sizes with these. That's why the large strands are so much fun. And I know not everybody likes pearls, but you can modernize pearls and make them look really chic and fun. You can even get a brooch to clip in the back, so you still have a beautiful line in the back with a beautiful piece for the eye, and you can adjust the size to work with whatever you're doing. You can bring it closer to this piece so you have everything synced a little bit more, or like I said before, you can bring this up higher to accentuate everything else moving up and keep this a little bit lower. So here are some of the things that we have there. And then you can use this armband that will work with this really beautifully. You can wear this with a beautiful maxi dress. Keep the lines simple, keep the color simple, but you could definitely do that with a halter. But like I said, keep the clothing simple so it really accentuates. And then you have your statement earrings that go with it. And it's still easy, it's not fussy, and anyone can do this. You can definitely do this at home on your own. And you can do it well and have a lot of fun with it. And then the last piece that I'm gonna show you, you can take pieces like this, you find them all over. And a lot of people see them, they're gorgeous, but they don't quite know how to work them into their wardrobe. Well, it can be very simple. Just take the piece and you can wear it by itself, but you can also add other pieces to it. You can add the pearls at different, and you can put each strand at different lengths, especially with the brooch. You can adjust the height and the length of the pearl strand so it works lovely with this, or so you can see each individual strand on the neckline. And there you go. So lovely, so easy. And imagine how this will look with a simple t-shirt and some jeans, or a pair of shorts, a lovely pair, maybe a skirt, whatever you're going for. This will work beautifully. And then I could take some of the pieces that I have right here. I could take the black pearls. I can take the silver necklace. I could even take the little diamond band right here, and I can put that with that very easily. And I'm going to take this one off so you can see how that works together. Look at that. It's absolutely lovely. And like I said, you guys can do this at home very easily. And if you still don't think you can do it, that's what we're here for. So give us a call or reach out to us and we will help you with whatever your style needs are. So that's the tip for this week on layering jewelry with me, Leslie. And I'll see you again next time. Take care.